Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday weekend, June 18th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. 2 puzzles are left for today, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. And the rest of the puzzles in this edition I will do those tomorrow. But first, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4721. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And now we need to compare. I think, yes, we need to compare. Let me see. Double O here, nope, cannot compare. This column, double one here, nope, I cannot compare. And this column, so we need to compare the rows. Double O, double O, double O, yes. This one and that one. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.